Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show how to add a special concept, my life social media concept for editing tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this and you will also try this tutorial. Okay, just follow my video so you can also edit exactly like this. I will give background link and PNG link in the description. You can go and download it. Now let's check in video without wasting time. Friends, now we're in Picsart application. You have to download this background PNGs and you have to open in Picsart app. Okay, this is the background. Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select your model image. And after selecting, you have to use this cutout tool. You can see here cutout tool. You have to use the cutout tool and you have to cut the background. Okay, when you use the cutout tool, the image will be saved in stickers. It will take so much of time, so I am not doing now. I hope you learn how to use cutout. Okay, this is the image it will get when you use a cutout tool. You have to arrange this model image in the center like this. Okay, arrange this model image in the center like this. Now tap on tick. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to go to tools, go to adjust and decrease the brightness like this. Decrease the brightness. Now go to eraser and tap on this invert and go to eraser and erase on the model image. Okay, okay, done. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select the PNGs. These are the PNGs. I'm going to add one by one. Okay, first of all I'm going to Facebook and I'm going to arrange this Facebook in this position and Twitter here. Okay, wait, I'm going to arrange. Okay, arrange in this position like this. Okay, done. Now go to TikTok and arrange in this position and Twitter here and Snapchat here and Instagram here. Okay, wait, in this position, rotate, perfect. Now TikTok, Snapchat in this position, zoom in like this and arrange, perfect. Now zoom in and arrange. Now Twitter, zoom in and arrange. Picsart here. I'm going to make this side. I'm going to keep Facebook here, perfect, and TikTok in this position. Done. Finally, we arrange these icons, social media icons. Now what you have to do is you have to do one step. Go to Twitter, go to adjust, increase the highlights a little bit, shadow a little bit. Now tap on tick. Now go to Picsart, go to adjust, increase the highlights a little bit, shadow a little bit. Now tap on tick. Now go to TikTok, go to adjust, go to highlights a little bit, shadows a little bit. This give a glowing look. Okay, go to Snapchat, highlights a little bit, shadow a little bit. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. Now go to Instagram, go to adjust, increase a little highlights, a little shadow, tap on tick. Now go to Facebook, go to adjust, a little highlights, a little shadow. I did one mistake, so go to adjust, decrease a little brightness. Now tap on tick. Done. Friends, finally we arranged every social media icon. Now I am going to give a quotation of my life in the bottom. I created this PNG. Okay, for this you have to go and select this my life PNG and arrange at the bottom, perfect, in this position and done. Finally it is done. Okay, it is how we can arrange it. You can zoom a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Now tap on it. Friends, finally my life social media concept photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit your image exactly like this. Simply follow my video, download the background, download the PNGs. I will give links in the description. You can go and download it. I hope you really enjoy. Please consider like and subscribe and share to your friends if you really enjoy this video. Now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save your image and have